guys, ki khabor. So today I'm going to show you how to get a natural glam look from this to this. So for starting off, I'm gonna be moisturizing my face with the help of this Nivea soft moisturizing cream, as I belong from the dry skin family. A lot of people think that they don't need moisturization before applying any kind of makeup, but damn wrong. You have to make sure that you apply a moisturizer to lock your makeup for the whole day. Next, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer. As you can see, I have some spots and as well some pores. So I'll be focusing more onto the T-zone area, and with the help of my fingertips, I'm going to be massaging them all out. And as you can see, I have some spots here and there as well. So I'm going to be taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to be taking the Peachy Color Corrector, and I'll be focusing on the spots area. As you can see, I have some spots on my profile side. So I'll be just focusing on there. I'm going to be just placing them over the pimple or spots, and as well on my smile line. Ew. As you can see, I'm looking really horrible, but I promise that I'll be with full glam just in a few minutes. So I'm going to be just blending them all out properly with the help of a brush. Just properly do that. Next, I'm going to be taking this colorfix compact powder, and I'm going to be just applying this to set my concealer, the color corrector. You can say a lot of people don't do that, but try to do that. It will make sure that it lock up the color corrector on place. And next, how can I forget my BB cream love. So I'm going to be taking the BB cream, as this is a natural daytime glam look, so BB cream can be my best friend. So I'm going to be applying with a dot shape first, and then I'm going to be patting the product, not dragging. Remember that, not dragging. It's patting the product onto my face with the help of a beauty blender. As you can see, I'm not dragging it, just placing it. And with the help of my video editor, I'm going to be doing that real quick. Next, I'm going to be taking these W7 Catwalk concealer. This is a very natural coverage concealer. That is why I'm taking this. And I'm going to be slightly applying this under my eye, like the area where I have some dark pigmentation. As you can see, very less, very slightly. Then I'm going to be blending them all out with the help of this concealer blending brush from Manji. I absolutely love this. You can get this product on Uptown Girl Facebook page. So as you can see, I'm just blending everything properly, as blending is the key. And I have a very creasy under eye, so I'll make sure that I bake my under eye. That step is totally optional, but I did the baking off camera. As you can see, you can totally skip that if you have oily skin. Next, I'm going to be doing my brow with the help of this Anastasia brow pomade in the shade Chocolate. And I'll be first brushing my eyebrow. I'm not going to be doing the eyebrows on flick look. I'll be going a little bit more natural, because as this is a natural glam look. So I'll be just drawing the stencil first. Nothing crazy. So I'm just drawing the stencil first. And then I'm going to be filling them in with the help of the same brush and with the same brow pomade. I'm not going to be using any kind of eyeshadow or anything. I'll try to keep it as natural as I can. And then I'm going to be cleaning my brow with the help of a concealer. It will give you a more polished kind of look. And as you can see, my eyebrows are ready, and this is looking really natural yet glamorous. Next, I'm going to be taking this yellow corrector. I know it's a yellow corrector from LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to be using this as my eyeshadow base, because I'll tell you why. This is absolutely freaking good. That's why. Totally optional. You can use your own. And I'm going to be blending them properly so that I get a polished natural look. Next, I'm going to be taking the same powder that I've used to set my concealer, and I'm going to be just dusting my lid with the help of the powder. And for the first color, I'm going to be taking this color from the Morphe 35F palette, and I'm going to be just giving a depth slightly to my eyelid area, as you can see, and I'm just blending back and forth motion, circular motion form. This will make sure that it just give a slightly depth to my eye, otherwise my eye will look naked. Next, I'm going to be taking this color from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'll be just keeping this I will be keeping it slightly to the outer corner towards the inner corner. As you can see, I'm just blending it properly with the help of a brush. I'm just taking it slightly to the inner corner, just slightly. Next, I'm going to be taking this color. This color is totally optional from the Juvia's palette, but I felt that this color actually opens up my eye a little bit more. You can take a very brownish kind of color or peachy kind of color, totally up to you, but I love this color. It's an orangey kind of reddish color, and I'm going to be blending them all out. Next, I'm going to be taking white kind of color, you can say, and I'm going to be applying this on my eyebrow bone area. This will elongate my eye a little bit more. This tape is totally optional. Next, I'm going to be taking this shimmery color, and I'm going to be applying this on my tear dust area, and then taking the same color that I've used as my transition color. I'm going to be taking that color on my lower lash line, and I'm just going to be smoking out my lower lash line a little bit, and then taking a white color kajal from Jordana. I'm going to be tight lining my lower lash line so that my eye look more bigger. And then as well on my upper lash line with the Rimmel Kajal. I know that I'll be a little bit more watery there, but that's okay, right? Next, I'm going to be taking this Flormer mascara, and I'm going to be coating quite a bit on my eyelashes because I'm not going to be using any falsies today. So I'll make sure that I coat my lashes quite a bit, as you can see, but yet natural. That's how my face actually looks like. And then I'm going to be bronzing my face. I'll be just giving a little bit depth to I'm going to be cutting my fat cheekbone out. That's why I'm using a bronzer actually today, not any kind of contouring, natural glam. So yeah. And as well on my forehead area. I don't have a very big forehead though, but still I love to do that. That's why. And then I'm going to be taking this peachy kind of bubbly blush from the W7 blush palette, and I'm going to be slightly applying this on my cheekbones. I will go a little bit higher on the blush side as it's a daytime natural look. That's why. And next, I'm going to be taking this broken shimmer powder from Kiss Beauty, and I'm going to be slightly applying this on my high points, such as under my eye, like the area where you generally apply highlighter. And it's a very natural kind of highlighter. That is the reason I'm applying this. And then I'm going to be locking my makeup with the help of a setting spray, and then I will be just let it dry for a couple of minutes. And then for the lipstick, I'm going to be taking this Issabella dupond velvet matte lip cream in the shade 603. This is my go-to, like my go-to every single day. I wear this, trust me. So I'm going to be applying them all over my lips, and I'll be popping some earrings, and I'll do my hair off camera. And that's how my full face look like, and there is a complete look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. You guys were actually requesting me for a natural look for so long, so I thought, why not go ahead and keep your request. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back in my next video. Till then, please take care. I love you all so much. Bye.